Are you thinking about upgrading to Magento 2? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Magento 2 extension migration, which is all about moving your store's extensions from Magento 1 to Magento 2. Let's break it down into manageable parts. First off, what is Magento 2 extension migration? Simply put, it's the process of transferring your current extensions from the older Magento platform to the sleeker, more powerful Magento 2. This includes evaluating your current extensions, upgrading to new ones, checking for compatibility, and thoroughly testing to ensure everything works seamlessly. It starts with evaluating what you have, listing all your extensions and figuring out which ones you really need to keep. Then, check for their compatibility with Magento 2, or find alternatives that could work even better. Planning is next. Lay out a detailed plan that covers every step, including what resources you'll need and the timelines. Of course, set up a testing environment so you can play around without risking your live store. And don't forget to train your team on Magento 2. They need to be comfortable with the platform. When it comes to migration methods, you've got options. There's the manual route, where you get down into the nitty-gritty of coding. If that sounds overwhelming, there are migration tools that can automate much of the process, or you can even outsource the whole thing to professionals who handle these migrations all the time. Back up your store without question. Keep detailed documentation of the process, test everything thoroughly, and have a rollback plan just in case things don't go as expected. Compatibility issues are common, as Magento 1 and 2 are quite different under the hood. Data migration needs to be handled with care to maintain accuracy and integrity. Performance optimization is another big one. Make sure those extensions don't slow down your site. And then there's making sure all your custom features and functionalities transition over smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to enhance your e-commerce journey.